'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Yes, this is my first meal of the day after my 20-hour fast, and can't wait to dig in. Looks so yummy. I just came up with this recipe because I think like my salad has to be really rich for me to be able to consume salad. I'm not a salad person, so this would do. And after this, have another meal and call it a day. Yeah, can't wait. Looks yummy. It's like this. Number 9 thing that can actually cheapen your appearance, hey guys, is dirty or cheat. Let me turn this off. Hey guys, it's been a very long day, but yet very productive. I'm so proud of myself. I accomplished so much today, and yeah, it's Friday and I have a birthday dinner to attend. I'm running late. I haven't even done my makeup yet, but I guess I'll just do something really light. But I'll be carrying you guys along with me, and yeah, let's see how that goes. I'm sure it will be fun. So yeah. Mama, you want to say hello? Hi. She's busy giving me the thumbs up that yeah, go mommy. Hey mama.
Hello guys. He's this little boy. Hey, I know, Grandma.
They're getting all excited, but anyway guys, I will just be going out to get ready. I'll carry you guys along with me, so see you soon. Hey guys, I'm ready now, and just finished. I'm running really late, so this is what I'm currently wearing. I'm grabbing my bathroom toilet. Hey guys, good morning. So I just woke up, and yeah, it's Saturday morning now. Yesterday was so much fun. I had such a lovely time. Today's Saturday, so I want to clean this house. This whole house is in a mess. I want to like give it a good clean from head to toe. Okay, I also have so much to do regards to work and creating content. Probably film a video today as well, not sure, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. So yeah guys, let's start. Can you leave my video? Can you leave my video? They can't even see you, Rema.
Hello, it's me. It's Mary's daughter, Mama. And me and she's my mummy. And he's my little brother.
Rema, can you stop carrying him? Guys, my children are busybodies. They just have to show themselves. But anyways, you guys just watch me as I do my thing, okay? Okay, guys, go now. It's fine. Go. Thank you.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you now, guys, we just finished doing our bubble bath. Yeah. And now it's bedtime. We're doing our Bible, see? Yeah, see? On dinosaur. And now this is our Holy Bible. Yeah. And this is our Holy Bible. And this is another one like a dino.
Bible, Aaron, Bible.
This Bible, and then and we got the Bible. Shh. Shade
upon right hand. The sun shall not smite me by day, nor the moon.
The God will keep me from all evil. Who keep my life. Who keep me from my going in and my coming back. For this life and forevermore.
Amen. Lie down.
In green pastures.
He leads me beside.
The still waters.
He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of
righteousness.
for his name.
Say.
Even though I walk
Even though I walk to the valley of shadow of death, I fear no evil. For you are with me. Your rod and staff comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemy.
Hold hands. You anoint my
My head
head.
is
Hello guys, how are you all doing? Gosh guys, I'm just popping up here now. We just literally got back home. So today was my mother-in-law's Thanksgiving birthday, and we all went to her church to celebrate her. It was a very long service, guys. After that we went home to her house and we just kind of chilled and ate and just married basically. So we just got back home not like up to an hour ago, and I'm knackered. It's currently 8:29 and I have all this makeup on and I just want to dissolve all the makeup. I just thought, oops, I should be recording this, right? So I think I'll just be ending the vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know if it was boring, it was quite repetitive, it was just a normal day in my life, guys. Nothing too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.
So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.